You've just entered the world's largest library of premium dressmaking and couture classes, trusted by thousands of designers worldwide since 2010. Here, every stitch tells a story, and every story starts with you. From your first pattern to your own couture collection, everything you need is already here. You're not learning alone. You're joining a vibrant international network of designers, creators, and dreamers just like you. Dressmaking Academy isn't just about learning, it's about belonging. As a VIP member, you'll join weekly live Zoom sessions with fellow designers from all over the world. These aren't just Q&As, they're inspiring conversations, guest experts, masterclasses, and deep dives into the hottest couture topics. It's your space to connect, get answers to your questions, share stories, and grow with others who understand your passion. Because the best ideas happen when creative minds meet. Meet Coutura AI, your personal dressmaking assistant. Imagine having a couture mentor available 24/7. Coutura is your personal AI assistant, trained on thousands of hours of Dressmaking Academy lessons and couture expertise. Ask her anything, from "What fabrics do I need for my skirt?" to "How do I sew a hidden lacing corset?" And she'll give you real, precise answers, not generic replies. Even better, she'll guide you straight to the exact video lesson where that technique is demonstrated. With Coutura, you'll never waste time searching. You'll learn smarter, faster, and with complete confidence, as if Tatiana herself were beside you. The world's largest library of premium dressmaking classes. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, your next breakthrough starts here. You'll find step-by-step video courses on every technique, for every client and occasion. Bridal gowns, evening wear, corsets and bodices, pattern drafting, alterations, and couture finishes. Each course isn't just a project, it's a complete technique system you can use to create countless garments, designs, and collections. Your creativity has no limits here. When you enter a course, you'll find a lesson menu on the left for easy navigation, illustrated transcripts for every lesson to help you absorb information faster, learning paths, your roadmap to couture mastery. If you're wondering where to start, begin with our bespoke Couture Accelerator program. It's a structured journey that takes you from beginner to professional designer step by step. You'll progress with clarity, not confusion. Patterns Library, ready to use perfection. Instantly download ready-made sewing patterns for any size, shape, or silhouette. Use them to create your own line or for custom client work. Everything is built to make your journey effortless. Welcome home, designer. Dressmaking Academy is more than an online school. It's a creative home, a place where you are seen, supported, and inspired every step of the way. Now it's your turn to create, design, and shine. Start your next course today, or join VIP to unlock it all. Welcome to the family, and happy sewing!